It's huge.
We've been trying to super clean the interior, and these are some of the plastic bits. I think we're gonna go with like a brown color, kind of a espresso for the darker ones, and then maybe a chestnut for the lighter stuff. It might have a cool vibe in the car after that. This is the carpet 2 days after drying. It smells really good. So much of Gigi's hair is just trapped in it. Yeah, it looks not bad. Like, it feels good, it smells good. I was kind of worried there'd be a weird like soap scum, and there's not. Of course, all this. So today we're gonna help the 80 Nevada crew move their storage unit into the truck. These tires are massive. What size? 11R 2.25. This does make sense. Caravanning with the 80 Nevada crew. They've put 200 miles on it since the oil change, and we've already put 5,000 miles on the Yaris. We've been at it for about, I don't know, 2 hours. Just waiting on the slow pokes. Yep, cleared out all these boxes, still waiting for them. Out here taking a break with the, you know, what do you think's in this? Is this in this drunk quest glass? We got water, or is it vodka? So we all just had a little lunch. It's like 11 o'clock. And I'm doing weird things because that's who I am. And there is the truck. It's almost awful. Today started off fun and then drama, but then I realized I'm too low for this thing, so we cracked it. But it's already damaged anyway, so it doesn't matter, right? At least now we know. We got some subscribers, they wanted to sign the car. Hell yeah. Oh, that's nice imagery. Yesterday we actually hit the bumper pretty hard. We went underneath one of those concrete cement lips, and now we've cracked it. It's not too bad. I mean, it was never in the greatest of shape anyways. But yeah, we're definitely going to need to get it off the ground now to do the oil change. I mean, not definitely, but... You know what? I don't think we will, actually. I'm curious to see if we're burning any oil, so what we're gonna do is try to fill up the old jug with just oil from this change so we can see how much is in it. Granted, I'd spilt a bunch, not on anything else but the cardboard, but this is showing 2.5 maybe. It's supposed to be around 4, so there's likely a quart here. So yeah, we're probably burning around a quart. Every time we change the oil, I always think to myself, please don't blow up, please don't blow up. It's kind of a ridiculous thing to think, but this is how I feel. We're about to go over those bumps there, the let's F your stuff up bumps. They're the ones that popped the negative cable out. Okay, here's the area that we were driving in the day. So there's the bumps. Those I don't think were the ones that launched us though. Okay, so these were at 22. Exactly. And then the one that launched us is literally right over here. It's this dip. So we hit, yeah. So we hit this bump. That you felt that, and we hit that just now at 15. We were going like 25, so the car literally popped up in the air.